Hey people, Mullet Mike here. Tell you what, got the old mind thinking a little bit. We were at the tournament last week. Some people were complaining that they thought that Hockey Wally and I were de-inflating the pickleball. How the heck do you de-inflate a pickleball? The thing's like a rock. But it got me thinking. 2 weeks ago, I went down to the old car shop to pick up Hockey Wally because he's getting a brand new set of used tires for the VW van so we can take our hockey or our little pickleball game on the road. And what happens? I pull up in my car, kid, worked there for maybe a week, comes walking out, looks at my front tire and he says, "Hey, mister, think your tire's a little low." Walks over, gets out his gauge, checks it out. Sure enough, I'm down 5 pounds. Which gets me thinking a little bit more. This kid's worked there for 5-7 days, that's it. He can walk out, look at my tire, know it's a little low. Got me going here. Tom Brady, 4 years in high school, 4 years in college, 15 years in the pros, and that guy can't figure out that the ball he's playing with every day is a little soft? Something's fishy. I don't know. It's this Mullet Mike thinking something's going on. Have a good weekend.